Hello guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to brighten up dark footages in Adobe Photoshop. So there are a couple of ways to brighten up your dark footages in Photoshop, but in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you two ways to fix your underexposed images in Photoshop. The first way is to use solid layers. So come over to this icon over here and select solid layer, and what you want to select is the white color and hit OK. Next, come over to blend mode where you can see normal over here and select the drop down and select soft light. And as you can see, automatically the image is already brighter, but we are going to take it up a notch. Come back over here and select it and select brightness/contrast and increase the amount of contrast till you find something you like. So I'm going to increase this to somewhere around 80%. So if I deselect this, you can see what we had. If I deselect this also, you can see what we had. But if I put those two layers back on, you can see what we have now. So that's the first way to increase the brightness of your image in Photoshop. The second way to increase brightness of image in Photoshop is to use the exposure slider. To do that, the first thing you want to do is to come over to your image layer over here, right click it and select convert to smart object. Next, come over to filter over here and select camera raw filter. And you'll be greeted with these exposure sliders over here. Now over here you can adjust the value for your exposure to whatever you like. You can also increase your contrast over here. You can also adjust your highlights. You can adjust your shadows over here. You can also increase the whites or blacks or whatever you like. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to also increase my texture and increase my dehaze and increase my clarity. Next, come over to detail over here and increase the value for sharpening, noise reduction and color reduction. Let me increase the exposure a bit and hit OK. And this will take us back into Photoshop. Now you can see what we initially had and you can see what we have now. And those are two ways to increase exposure in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.